Hey, 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 I'm excited. Wait till I show you what I have. It's from Everydayedeals. This is what I've done lately. I take them out of the bags, I figure out who they're from, I write the name here, and I keep them on the bag so I know what I have, right? So I'm super excited to show you these. Super excited. Let's start with this one. Why not? So thank you, Everydayedeals, for sending me some more things to show people. I know people love them, right? Okay. So, who's ready for summer? Summer loving, right? Oh my gosh. Sorry about the noise. Hang on. We're stuck. We're stuck in our baggie. All right, so you can tell what we have, right? You can tell what we have. We have a keychains. There's our clasps. All right, you ready to see them? Let's show you the drills first. Let's show you the drills. There's not a ton of drills. Look, we have clear. We have a gray smoky color. These are black resin. We have red, we have yellow, and we have white teardrops. That's it. That's it, folks. That's it. All right. I'll show you why. Why are there so few colors? Because these keychains all have a theme. You tell me what it is. Let me know when you figure it out. All right. Here's the first one. Boom, ba-doom, ba-doom. How cute, right? How cute is she? She's adorable. Look at her. All right. How about this one? Oh, we got it. Oh, that's the hole coming out. It's stuck here. I don't know why, but there it is. The little hole. Okay. Look at that one. Look at that one. How cute. How cute. Look at her. She's adorable too. Look at her. Oh my gosh. So cute. Double-sided. Nice thickness. I like these. These aren't real sticky. Sometimes the keychains are sticky. I don't know why that happens, but these aren't bad. Look at this guy. Look at that one. How cute, right? There's not a ton to drill on any of these, but they're going to be super cute. I love them. I love them, love them, love them. Look at her. Oh my goodness. Aren't they cute? They're so cute. And then there's this guy. So not every single one of them has ladybugs on them, but a lot of them do. Well, a couple of them do. Anyhow, they look like ladybugs, don't they? Aren't they cute? What do you think? I love them. They're so cute. I've gotten several sets of keychains lately. And I love them. I love all of them. I have several sets of gnome keychains too. Yep. All right, what else do we have? Like I said, summer. Summer's coming. I saw these. I could not resist. And there's more than this. I just picked out two, just so you know. There's more in this theme, shall we say, in this theme. All right, what do we have? Look at look at that. Okay, it's all like wrinkly, really wrinkly. Let's see. Let's pull this plastic back so we can flatten it a bit so you can see it better. These are all special drill. I love the special drill ones. They're quick, they're fun, they're easy to do, they're sparkly. I love them. All right. Okay, let's see if that helps us. Should help us to be able to see it. So it's not going to stick down here because these stars have no drills, no glue. Okay. All right, ready? Let's try that now. Look at. Welcome. There are drills all over the welcome, and it's a red truck, and we have 3 gnomes in the back of the truck, and they're all holding like patriotic things, like a star and a heart and a pinwheel. Got balloons in their truck. Aren't they cute? They're ready for 4th of July. Aren't they adorable? I love them. There's 10 colors. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Now you will need to leave this lay flat for a while. Put it underneath heavy stuff. Iron it. I iron, you know. My one ironing that I will do is diamond painting canvases. And when I iron them, I do a bunch at once, you know. So I'm going to get the iron out and heat it up and all that stuff. I'm going to do several things at once. So what are our colors? All right, let's show you what our colors are. So we have some black, clear. That's like a champagne color. A couple of reds, 2 different reds. A blue, a darker blue. Oh, and look at the stars. We have one size star, another size star, and then we have some teardrops. Look at those. Where all them stars go? Oh, all over their hats. Stars, 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 stars. Oh, and on the balloons. There's stars everywhere. Isn't that cute? I love it. Ready for 4th of July? 4th of July, here we go. Look at, they're all folded back up. Look at that. How cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, one more. One more in the same vein. In the same vein. There we go. I'll show you what we got. I'll show you what we got. All right. Again, super cute. Look at more. See, look. Red, white, and blue. Red, white, and blue. Ready for 4th of July. God bless America. Right? Land that I love. Look at how cute. Oh my goodness. How cute. How cute. How cute. How cute. Right? Again with the balloons and the pinwheels. Adorable. Look, he's even holding a USA. USA. You can't see the whole A because it's in his hand, but isn't it cute? Look at that. Love it. I just love these. There were others. There were others. There were like 4, maybe 5 of these like all red, white, and blue special drill gnome projects. Love them. I only got a couple. Anyhow, let's see the drills for this. I bet it's not going to be a whole surprise. Let's see what we got. But we're going to have some stars. All right, what do we have? We have red and blue and clear and blue and 2 sizes of stars. Yay! Aren't they cute? I love them. I fell in love. They're coming out with more and more of the special drill gnomes. I can't resist. I can't resist. So look at, everything's just kind of all red. Red, white, and blue, or red and black in this case here, right? Love it. Love it, love it, love it. What's your favorite? What's your favorite? I can't pick. I can't pick. I love the keychains. Maybe the truck. It would probably have to be the truck for me. But super cute. Let me zoom you out just a little bit so you can get a better picture of everything we got here. Cute, right? Cute, cute, cute. Thank you again, Everydayedeals. I love them. Love them. Oh, how cute. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you come back. Stick around for a while. Yeah. Enjoy the fun we have around here. Okay? All right. I'll talk to everybody soon. Bye, everybody.